Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a very amazing all aluminum trailer we just got in stock. I'm excited to share this with you guys. If you have Jeeps, buggies, and bigger vehicles, this is an awesome solution because it's got extra height, a bigger rear door opening, and some other goodies we'll share. This one is a 2018 CargoPro Stealth all aluminum trailer. Again, you've got an all aluminum frame underneath this unit as well, so it's going to weigh much less than your standard steel trailer. This one's also in a smooth skin black exterior. You do have the rounded top right there that you guys can see, the rounded front, and then you also have the polished corners, diamond plate rock art across the bottom, full aluminum 6-inch frame. You've got a triple tube tongue, and it looks like about a 3-foot tongue on this unit as well, so you will have a good turning radius. This one has a side door, does come with the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there as well. Two 5,200-pound axles with brakes. These also have aluminum wheels underneath them. You also have a polished aluminum fender, side vents. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. They do an amazing job with these trailers. These rear ramp doors are super easy. I can literally open and close it with one hand. You do have a transition flap on this unit as well. Full Drymax floor, so you've got a waterproof floor. This trailer has a 90-inch wide rear door opening with a 7'10" interior height, and then you're gonna have a 7'7" rear opening here at the ramp door. So we lose about 6 inches with this ramp door spring, but then we're gonna gain back 3 because you've got a dovetail in the back. So again, a 7'7" rear door opening. This is also great for Jeeps and buggies that you guys need the extra width because you have this huge premium side escape door, and then the pull-off interior fender, which is what you guys can see right there. So coming back in, if you guys have a wider vehicle, you simply pull that off and you can drive right over those tires and wheels and get your larger vehicles in and out of the trailer. 4 D-rings. These are heavy-duty recessed D-rings. There's one of your side vents. You also have a matching spare and spare tire mount right there up out of the way. Again, here's your premium escape door, removable fender, vinyl wall and ceiling liner. You've got tons of recessed LED lights in the ceiling. These are really nice lights. Coming into the unit, full flat deck, no interior step. So again, if you guys need that extra width up here with tires and wheels, you don't have to worry about that interior step. Backside of the RV lock has a lock and latch and a set of keys. And then there's your toggle switch for your interior lights. So again, awesome trailer, great setup for bigger vehicles. And as always, we'd love to earn you guys' business. If you're in the market for a new trailer, you can call us at 303-688-8485. Check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state, and if you guys don't live near us, that's okay. We do have shipping options available, so you can call us to inquire about that as well. 303-688-8485.